Hello everyone, I'm Hailu, and today we'll be working on a leetcode problem, which is called a number of islands. So within this problem, it says given a two grid maps of ones, which is land, and zero, which is water, count the number of islands. An island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent land horizontally or vertically. You may assume all the four edges of the grid are surrounded by water. So our first grid has inputs. So this inputs are 1 1 1 1 0, 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 all zeros, and then the bottom all zeros. So we want to keep in mind that one is land, zero is water, right? And anything that's connected adjacent, if they're adjacent to each other, and any land that's adjacent to each other, it creates an island. And it's also surrounded by water. I don't think that really matter because as long as we have one that are connected to each other adjacently, vertically or horizontally, it should be able to give us an island. So if we're going to all the ones here in the first row, that gives us a land. In the second row, that gives us a land. Third row, it gives us a land. So horizontally connected, the first row gives us a land, an island, I guess. And that also connects to the bottom one, give us an island. Next bottom one will give us an island. So all the ones in this case are connected to each other, which gives us a 1. Basically, that's awesome. That's what we wanted. That's awesome, right? So we also need a for loop to go through each the row and the column. Most likely a nested for loop. We also want to do error checking. What if there is no grid? What if there's nothing within the grid, right? Empty grid. So we'd have to set a condition. What if there's no length to the grid, right? In this case, we could say if grid equal to null, or a grid dot length equal to 0, then it should return 0. We also want to initialize number of island, give it a 0 because that's what the initial point is going to start at 0. Then from there we can write down our for loop. First for loop would be we initialize an I. If we can go if we assign I as a row, and if we assign j as a column, for int I equals 0, I less than grid dot length, and I would increment. For int j equals 0, grid at I dot length, and j would increment. So right here we have a double nested for loop. And we also have error checking, so there shouldn't be a big of a problem to solve this leetcode challenge. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Yeah.